Right. So, good morning, guys. So, in the previous session, we discussed how to give the connection between Python and MySQL, right? So, friend, let us start the first program. So, write a program to fetch all students' names and colleges names. Colleges names. Okay. So I want to fetch all the students' names and colleges names, guys. Right. So for this one, first of all, read the MySQL query, then we read the Python script. Okay. So first, I'll open the MySQL, and yes, as we know that our database is user, right? MySQL 7AMDB, right? Then table name is select star from students or data, right? Students data, guys, right? So about this database, guys, like creating the database, creating the tables, inserting data. This all we have done already a playlist. That playlist link I'll give in the description. Okay, please check once, guys. Right. So here, this is the all the data. This is the entire data, right? From this table, I want to fetch all the student names and college names, right? So for this entire table, right, first from the entire table, so from the entire table, then what we want to fetch here, I want to display, select student name and college name, right, guys, college name. From the entire table, I am selecting the student name and the college name. Let me click enter. Yes. So we got the students' names, we got their colleges, right? Now we'll write a Python program to get the same output, guys. To get all students' names, to get all colleges' names, right? So as we know that all table data we have fetched and saved in the one variable called students data, which is in the tuple format, tuple of tuples. Each row is one tuple, right? Each row is one tuple, right? Now, so first let me print that students data, guys, students data. Right. So here we got all the yes, guys. So we got all the data in the tuple format, right? Tuple of tuples. Each row is one tuple, and mainly the main tuple is there, guys. Okay, right. So first apply for loop for I in students data, students data, right? Now in this case, what's first time I value? The first time I value should be the first element of the main tuple, that is first subtuple, guys. That's the first time I value. Next time I value, next element means second tuple. Next time I value is the next tuple, means third element. Like that, one by one will be fetched. So let me print every row, one by one. Right, on this one. Right. So here in first iteration, the value is first row, right? The second iteration, the value is the second row. In third iteration, I value is third row, right? Okay, fine. So here, the first time I value is the first tuple. From there, I want to fetch the student names. I want to fetch the college name. So this is the I, the tuple is the I. In that one, the number is the I of 0. The name is I of 1. College name is I of 2. So I of 0 and I of 1 and I of 2 we take into the separate variables. Okay. So here just I of 0, I of 1. What is I of 1 in each iteration? Let us try now. Let us see now. I of 1. That's all names came. If I take the I of 2 from every iteration, the college names will come, right? So I of 1, I of 2, both I will take into the a new variable, guys. So first I of 1 and the next we take the which one, the second one I of 2, where into new variables. Let me create two empty list objects, names and the colleges. Colleges, yes. Initially they are empty. So first time, what is the I of 1? First time I of 1 is what? I of 1 is Sai, right? Sai, guys. That Sai assign append to where? Append to the names. Names, okay, list. So names dot append of Sai. So initially it is empty, right? Now Sai is added. And same colleges also it will append, guys, right? Colleges dot append of I of 1, right? Right. So this is the first time I value, right? This is the first time I value. All of you just step by step. Okay, this is the first time. That's the first time I value is this one. This is the first time, right? First time I value is first row. From there, I of 1. What's I of 1? Sai. That Sai append him to where? Append him to the names, right? That's why initially the names is empty list, right? Initially names empty list, an empty list. Now this Sai appending, right? Sai is appending, guys. Or next, I have to append to colleges. I have to is what? ABC. Append to which one? Append to the colleges, empty list, right? Now, so that I have to means in an empty list, this ABC college name will append, right? Now the iteration over, guys. Iteration over. Next iteration, what is the next I value? Next iteration, the next I value is the second tuple, right? Second row. So this is the next time I value. Yes, right? Next time I value. This is the I, right? Then again, take the I of 1. What's the I of 1? Nani. That Nani append to which one? Append to the existing names list. Right now in the names list, Sai is there. Now this Nani will append. In the names, what is there already? Now Sai is there, right? Now names will append. Append means on the existing list it will add the 10, right? That's why here, that's why inside the Nani, right? Nani will append, guys. Or next, I have to. What is I have to? XYZ. It will append in the existing colleges list, right? So what is there here? XYZ will come over. Iteration over. Next iteration, what's I value? Next I value is the next tuple, right? Next tuple, guys. So this is the current I value, right? Okay, again start the block. Start the block here. In the block, again I of 1. What's I of 1? Akila, right? That Akila append to what? On the existing names list, right? This is existing names list. On the names list, this I of 1 will append. That's why. So what will come here? Akila will come, right? Over. Next, I of 2. What is I of 2 here? This college name BCD, right? That append on the existing list. So here BCD, like this. Like this. In every iteration, it takes the new tuple. From every new tuple takes the name, assign to the names list, and take the college name, assign to the colleges list. Like that, it happens till end of the all the tuples, guys. Okay. After all over, then I'm going to print what are the names and print what are the suppose, right, colleges, guys. Now displays two list objects, one with the names, another with the colleges. All of it. There are two list objects, one with the names. All names are there here, and all college names are there here. Okay. So right. So in the SQL query, by SQL query, what you have done? We fetched all the names and all the college names. Here also we got all the names and all the college names, guys. That's all.